Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing this video on a brake and rotor job on a I believe it's a 2014 Volkswagen. I think it's a Passat on this vehicle. In any case, so basically, what you guys want to start off is taking the little spring thing that's in the front, but don't know exactly what it's called. But if you guys know what it's called, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. I actually don't really have, I've actually never used the correct term for that, but you guys know what it is. All you guys do is just take a screwdriver, pry that off, and it's pretty simple. Putting it on is pretty simple too. Now, with this brake job, as you guys can see, you guys want to take off the cover for where the hole is for the Torx screw. I'm not quite sure which Torx bit you're going to be using, but you're going to be using a Torx bit on this because it's a European car and they like using Torx screws. Once you take those Torx screws off, the caliper should come off pretty easily. As far as the pads are concerned, they're pretty simple. Take the pads off, and that's pretty much the whole entire brake job. Guys have anything to add to this, leave a comment in the comments section. But it's outside of the Torx bit, it's a pretty easy brake job, pretty much in line with what you would normally do on a regular brake job. But as far as the rotor is concerned, as you guys can see, there's I think there's a 14 millimeter bolts in the back. I believe that's what it is. All you guys gotta do is just take those off, and the bracket comes off. Once you take the bracket off, the most difficult thing about the rotor job is probably the Torx bolts that's connecting the rotor to the bearing. So you guys can see, some rotors do not have anything connecting it. This actually has two Torx screws connecting it, and you guys will want to take those off. Now, normally, if it's not rusted, it would be easy. If the rotor's been taken off before, it should be easy. But these situations with these screws, they're probably just not the easiest thing to take off if you start having issues with it. And they're Torx bolts, so you might just come into a situation where you might round them off. They're stuck. In those situations, you probably will have to use a drill to drill them out, which is a pain in the butt because you're probably going to use more drill bits than you have. In any case, be careful doing it. Spray some WD-40 on it, and essentially just maybe you could just use a torch and torched it a little bit. Just heat it up. If that's a situation where it's stuck, you just want to be a little bit careful on it, because I've come across using drilling these out, and sometimes it works real good, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it doesn't because you're just going to end up just killing your drill bits and then having to buy more drill bits just to get these off. And you guys can see this. I believe there's 2 of them on each, and there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8 of them that you need to draw. It's not really a fun thing to do if you guys have been in that situation. In any case, if this has helped you guys out, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.